back to the tracks. The legacy continues. The engine is on. The chimney is smoking. The gang is ready. Let's have a quick look at Money Train 3 by Relax Gaming. Releases 22nd of September. Money Train 3 is a 5x4 game with 40 win lines, a respin feature, and a money cart bonus, triggered by 3 or more bonus symbols. The respin feature can be triggered at the end of any spin with no wins. One symbol on the screen is selected randomly to be sticky, and a respin is awarded. During respins, any additional symbols that land awards a new respin. Multipliers can land during the respin, which doesn't stick, but does award an additional respin. Multipliers gathered during respins are awarded to the final win amount. The money cart bonus round is triggered by 3 or more bonus symbols. There are also persistent symbols that can substitute a bonus symbol for triggering the bonus. In the bonus, you get 3 spins. The symbols that trigger the bonus will reveal a value which is a multiplication of your bet. During the spins, any symbol that lands will reset the spins back to 3. The normal value symbols can reveal a value between 1 and 10 times your bet. Filling up any reel will unlock an additional reel. This can happen twice. Additional symbols that can appear are the Collector, Sniper, Collector Pair, Necromancer, Absorber, Tommy Gun Sniper, Tommy Gun Pair, Persistent Collector, Persistent Sniper, Persistent Collector Pair, Persistent Necromancer, and the Persistent Shapeshifter. The Collector collects all visible values on the screen and adds them to its own value. The persistent version does this every spin. The Sniper shoots to double the values of 3 to 8 other symbols. It can shoot the same symbol several times. This also has a persistent version. The Collector Pair selects between 3 and 5 symbols and collects the values to add to its own. It then pairs out new value to each of the targets. The persistent version also does this every spin. The Necromancer brings between 2 and 5 already used non-persistent special symbols back to life. The same symbol can also be targeted several times. This also has a persistent version to do so every spin. The Absorber absorbs all normal value symbols and removes them from the reels, adding the values to its own. The Tommy Gun Sniper randomly targets a symbol and shoots it 2 to 6 times, doubling its value on each shot. The Tommy Gun Pair reveals a value from 5 to 100x and targets a random symbol, adding this value 3 to 10 times. The unique persistent is the Persistent Shapeshifter. This turns into a different special symbol every spin between the Collector, Collector Pair, Sniper, Tommy Gun Sniper, or Tommy Gun Pair. You also have the option to buy a bonus. There are 4 options. One spin feature, for 20 times your bet, guarantees the bonus with 1 starting spin, and each symbol that lands resets the spin count to 1. 2 spin feature, for 50 times your bet, does the same but with 2 starting spins, and resets the spin count to 2 for any symbols landing. Original feature, for 100 times your bet, guarantees a normal bonus. And the persistent feature, for 500 times your bet, guarantees the bonus game to be triggered with 1 persistent symbol. The bandits have climbed back onto the money train and kicked up some explosive wins. Money Train 3 by Relax Gaming releases 22nd of September 2022.